Good day everyone. Welcome to another episode in our series. Together we learn how to be better pet owners and how to make our pets happier. Join us. Today we will talk about how to tell your dog you love them. We decided to make this really special episode for all you dog lovers out there, and we know there are a lot of us. Of course, if you have a dog, you take care of him every day, but what are the little things that will show him your great love? Before we dive into that pool of emotions, make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and if you are, thank you for that. Cuddling. First of all, in order to best know what your dog likes the most, you need to get to know him. Dogs, like us humans, are not all the same. Kissing and cuddling is definitely one of the things you will show your dear pet you love him. But not every dog likes this. Kissing and hugging is something peculiar to us humans as a species. To dogs this may seem like a threat. However, if your dog is used to this, he will surely enjoy it, and be sure that he gives you great trust. Some dogs like to be scratched on the belly, some like ear up. Some dogs like to be petted on the head, and some under the neck. It all depends on what your dog likes the most. Some dogs simply don't like to have their paws touched. That's why it's important to get to know your dog, and to do what he likes and avoid unpleasantness. Food. We all know that dogs usually like to eat. We can definitely reach their hearts with food. In addition to the daily delicious meals that you prepare for them, you can always surprise them with delicious treats, which they like the most, which you bought or made yourself. We always support you to do new things, and to try your hand at cooking for your dog, at least in making treats that are good and healthy for him. We have one such video for you, the link to it is in the description. You can have a great time with your pet coming up with new recipes, and your dog will love this, and at the same time you can use treats as a great reward for patience and obedience, because many dogs are extremely food motivated. Talking. Maybe this may seem a little silly to you, but the fact is that we dog owners talk a lot to our dogs, even though we know they don't understand us. They don't understand our words as words, but they definitely understand our emotions, and if those emotions are good and directed at them, they will definitely enjoy it. In this way, we give them trust and connect with them. And they bark, and we only understand it to a certain extent, but somehow, despite everything, we communicate successfully. Dog usually likes the tone of your voice, and you have calming effect on him, and of course he can make sure by the color of your voice that everything is fine, that you are safe and that he can relax. Playing and training. This is a very important thing. Through the game you can connect in a beautiful way. Dogs enjoy it, and they will connect you with something beautiful, which makes them happy. Training is also great, because not only will you teach him useful skills that will help him in your life together, but let's not forget that most dogs like to work, learn, and spend their energy both physically and mentally. And finally, the last, but also the most important, spending time. Spend quality time with your dog, whether you will be walking, playing, or on the couch in front of the TV. The most important thing is that you are together, because that is what your dog needs most, you. A dog that is alone is unhappy and neglected, and by spending time with it and not excluding it from your activities, you show it how much you love him. A dog is a social animal, and depends on your company as much as on food and water. We all know the old saying that a dog is a man's best friend, which is true. If dogs' love could be measured in time, it would be measured in eons. Always know, no matter what happens in your life and no matter how you feel, you will always have the unconditional love of your four-legged friend. Treat him same way every day. Do not miss a single time to show him how much you love him, because every moment is precious. How do you most often show your dear dog how much you love him? Write to us in the comments and share your experience with us, so that we can become even better owners of our pets. That would be all for today's lesson. Join us in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Also ring that bell, so you don't miss the next class. Stay safe and happy. And don't forget, love and respect all your pets, and enjoy the time you are given to spend together.